Welcome guys to Geek Guilds, and yes, we are here to teach you guys to learn Python with Geek Guilds. As you can see, the heading of this thing is like learn Python with Geek Guilds, and yes, we are here to teach you Python, and we will be teaching you the basics of Python. It will be like pretty easy, and for sure we will having a playlist about it. And yes, this is the first video of teaching you the basics. Okay, as we said, the basics of every coding language is printing anything, and for sure for every coder around the world know the printing is like hello world. Okay, so yes, we will be printing hello world today, and it will be pretty easy and pretty fun. And for sure all the links, all this text files, all these files will be given in the description below, and there will be a link. Just click on it and you can get access to all the files and all the text files and all the codes that we are gonna write in here. So yes, it will gonna be pretty easy for you guys to go back in time and just get all the thing revised if you want to. And for sure now at this point of time we'll printing hello world. Okay, so for printing hello world in Python, it is very easy. We just need to write print, and let me remind you, this is a built-in function, as you can see, or a method. Okay, this is basically a built-in function. Okay, built-in function by Python, which helps us to print anything in Python. So basically, if you want to print anything, this is the thing that you write, and between, or like I should say, inside inverted comma, double inverted comma, we need to write what we need to print. In this case, we need to print hello world. So yes, we will be writing that, right? And this is how you print anything in Python. Okay, that is a single line of code for printing Python in, not printing Python, but then printing hello world in Python. And for sure now we will just click on this button to execute this program, and for sure you can see the output is like hello world. So yes, the program is executed the way it should, and yes, this is how you print hello world. Thank you for joining, and for sure stick around so that you will be able to learn more about Python. Love from Geek Guides.